What if you had animal teeth? So, if you lost your front teeth, before you know it, 2 new ones will push right into their space. But what if an animal's teeth grew in instead? Beaver. A beaver's front teeth are shaped like chisels, and they're very sharp. They're perfect for biting off bark and cutting down trees. Fact. A beaver's front teeth have a coating that contains iron that makes them super strong and orange. If you had beaver teeth, your front teeth would never stop growing. So you could gnaw all the stuff like a day after day all your life. Great white shark. A great white shark's front teeth are like its others, 2 inches long, with an edge like steak knife. They're great for biting through super thick things, like an elephant's seal's skin. Fact. Great white sharks new teeth about every 100 days. That keeps their bite at its sharpest. If you had great white shark teeth, you never have to worry about losing a tooth. There'll always be new teeth growing behind it, ready to slide into place, and there'll never be a gap in your bite. Narwhal. A narwhal's front teeth do something great strange. The right one stays small, but the left one grows longer and longer, to nearly 10 feet. But that's big. It has a new name. Instead of tooth, it's called tusk. Fact. A narrow, long front tooth grows right through its upper lip. What would you see your tusk for is where a narwhal? Would you poke around to find fish or fight off your enemies? Or would you feel your way through the dark parts of the ocean? Even scientists wonder what the narwhal does with its tusk. Elephant. An elephant's front teeth are called tusks, too. A male tusk grows between 5 and 7 inches longer each year of his life. The world record elephant tusk was more than 11 feet long. They're great for digging water holes and pulling up tree roots too much. Fact. Elephants are right tusks or left tusks, meaning they use one tusk more than the other. If you have an elephant tusk at your front teeth, they would be super strong too. You could easily fit move your bed or even family car, and no one would bully you, not even tigers. Rattlesnake. A rattlesnake's front teeth are called fangs, and they're shaped like hooks, and the tips are like needles. They fold up like a pocket knife when the snake closes its mouth and snap forward when it opens wide. Fact. When folded back, a rattlesnake fangs slide inside fleshly covers. That way the needle tips don't nick the inside of the snake's mouth. If you have rattlesnake fangs, your front teeth would inject deadly venom. So your teeth would be all need to fight enemies that would catch food to eat. Naked mole rat. Ew. A naked mole rat's front teeth are shaped like shovels and rare in front of its hips. They're perfect for digging the family's tunnels without getting a mouthful of dirt. Fact. Like beavers, a naked mole rat's front teeth never stop growing, biting hard roots and bulbs, wears teeth down so they don't get too long. If you had naked mole rat front teeth, you can move each tooth separately to the left and to the right. They were just like chopsticks for picking up food or bite by bite. Vampire bat. A farm bat's front teeth are a triangle, shaped and sharp and razors. They're perfect for scooping out a bit of animal skin so they can lap up the blood that flows into the wound. Fact: a baby's vampire. Bats have teeth, but for the first 4 months, they aren't strong enough to fly and hunt. So they nurse, and they eat vampire bat baby food, which is blood their mothers bring up from their stomachs. Yuck. If you had vampire bat food on teeth, you would have to worry about them chipping. Since they lack hard animal coat, the edges would wear easily and always stay sharp. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus' front teeth are long, strong pegs with very sharp edges. They're powerful weapons, so opening wide to show them off helps hippos scare away their enemies and the males to win a mate. Fact: hippos' teeth are yellow over time. In the past, they made into dentures. So some people used to eat the hippo teeth, including the first U.S. President George Washington. If you have hippo's front teeth, you never need to brush. Your upper teeth would grind against the lower ones and keep them clean and white. Sounds yummy. Bengal Tiger. A Bengal tiger's front teeth are biting six-pack. 4 sharp pegs, edged by twin pointed ones, set between its giant dagger-like craniums. They're perfect for scraping feathers off birds and off bones. Fact: a mother tiger uses her front teeth to bite very gently as she picks up and moves her cubs. If you had Bengal tiger front teeth, they'd be strongly anchored in your jaw. You could bite and hold tight while dragging something as heavy as 5 times your weight. Crocodile. A crocodile's front teeth are all shaped like cones, having sharp tips. They bite well, but come out easily, and new ones grow and very slowly. So a crocodile's front teeth are always changing, and often different sizes. Fact: a crocodiles can't clean their own teeth. They open their mouths for small birds, called plovers, to pick leftover food for their teeth. If you had crocodile front teeth, your teeth would stick out when they were closed, your mouth. You wouldn't need to open wide and you went into the dentist or gave toothy grin. Camel. A young camel's front teeth are long, strong, and very sharp edges. They're just right for nipping off tough, thorny desert plants. Fact: baby camels' front teeth are up through their gums. By the time they're 14 days old, like you, camels have 2 sets of teeth. Camels get into the adult front teeth when they're about to be 5 years old. If you had camel front teeth, you ate for hours a day, and camels do. By the time you were growing up, your front teeth would be no more than stubs. Animal teeth could be cool for a while, but you don't use the front teeth to cut down trees, scare off enemies. You don't need them to dig tunnels or bite roughly tough stuff. And you never lift a family car with your teeth, even for fun. So what kind of front teeth are you right for you? Luckily, you don't have a choice. The teeth that replace those lost will be people teeth. You'll be what you need to bite apples, carrots, or corn on the cob, or what you need to help talk, and the best of all, to show off when you smile. Where do teeth come from? Adult teeth grow inside your jawbone soon after they're born, while your baby teeth are getting ready to push through your gums. Any new growing teeth are called tooth bulbs. The crown or top of the tooth forms first. Then the roots grow and push out the tooth out. When this happens with an adult tooth, it makes the baby tooth root break down. Next, the baby tooth gets loose and falls out. Then the permanent adult tooth moves into space. Teeth need care. Besides the 2 front teeth, you'll be getting 30 more permanent teeth. You'll only get one set, and they must last for a whole life. So brush at least both morning and night, and floss. Between teeth regular avoid frizzy drinks, sugary foods. They help bacteria grow. Bacteria attacks teeth and cause tooth decay. Dentists and doctors have found there's a strong connection between having healthy teeth and healthy body. So taking good care of your teeth could help you grow up feeling like something to smile about. Plus, you'll have a beautiful smile that lasts a lifetime.